India's most powerful aircraft carrier, Vikramaditya, a floating nightmare for every enemy, including dirt.
INS Vikramaditya is one of the best equipped aircraft carriers in the world, and it has the best of weaponry with it. With our little weapon, a ride-on sweeper, it also stays the cleanest ship in the world. Hey, I'm Tony Charur, Managing Director, IPC India, one of the largest cleaning machinery and equipment manufacturers in the world.
If your office or home has ever used a vacuum cleaner, a high-pressure washer or a floor cleaner, there's a good chance it was made by IPC. That's because IPC is an original equipment manufacturer or OEM for some of the world's biggest cleaning brands. It also makes some of the most popular cleaning machine models in the world, the sort that clean metro trains and tracks every day.
Various railway stations, metro stations, airport terminals T1, T2, T3 in Delhi and Hyderabad airport, a lot of manufacturing industries, processing industries, IT-enabled services, Siemens, Robert Bosch, or the Covishield, producer, Serum Institute. All these places use our machines to maintain global cleaning and hygiene standards. As an end user or as an end beneficiary, you might not know us, but we know you, we serve you.
The story begins in 1995 when the Italian company Flaw joined hands with Sumit Khurana, a young Indian management engineering student of Udine University in Italy.
In 1995, there was a trade show called Indian Engineering Trade Show in February, where Italy was the partner country. Many Italian companies, more than 100 Italian companies, participated in that trade show. There was huge interest. And sitting there in Italy, I was very excited that there was interest from Italian companies into India. So I requested my father to send me a list of all those companies. I wrote at that time to about 10 of those companies, saying that, look, I'm studying in Italy and I want to go back next year, and if you are looking at exploring opportunities in India, I would be interested in associating myself. I had received the reply from Flaw. I went to Padova. I met this gentleman, Mr. Gianni Tono. He was the managing director of Flaw, a very dynamic man. I would say a visionary, a man who had ideas much before their time had actually come. And he offered me a contract at that time to come back to India and to explore how Flaw's business could be set up in India.
By 1996, an Indian partnership called Western Flaw is up and running. Over the next 4 years, the new company starts supplying products to huge brands like Samsung and Crompton Greaves. In the year 2000, Flaw is acquired globally by Interpump, an expanding firm that makes vacuum cleaners and high-pressure washers. By 2005, Interpump buys companies that make cleaning tools, scrubber dryers and sweepers, turning into an international cleaning behemoth. Back home, the Indian subsidiary sees a change of guard, with Sumit Khurana handing the baton to Madhukar Varshney in 2008. By 2011, parent company IP Cleaning SPA buys out its Indian partner stake, making IP Cleaning India Private Limited or IPC a wholly owned subsidiary.
It took us at least 2 years to finish that transition phase, and during the transition phase we had to a lot of new staff to bring in line with the requirement or the corporate requirement of the IPC. From 2011 to 2014, wherein I was involved in a lot of activities for the company. The major achievements that we made during that tenure was to get ourselves an approved vendor with Delhi Metro, and we were very successfully delivered very specialized vacuums, that is Planet 800, for specialized cleaning of radiators in the coaches of metro trains.
I took over from Madhukar in February 2015, and I quickly began to be called as a man in a hurry by my Italian colleagues.
A retired ace from the Indian Air Force and a postgraduate from Indian Institute of Management, Tony brought its speed, flexibility and military efficiency to IPC India. Within 4 months of Tony's joining, the company found itself a new head office in Delhi. Just 1 month later, its first regional office opened in Bangalore, Vadodara, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, following quick succession. By 2019, IPC found itself with 15 regional offices in the country. Most of its competitors didn't even have 2.
Time is money. The machines that we supplied breaks down. There are penalties imposed by the end customer to our customers because we are in a B2B market. So it's important for a conscientious player, an earnest player, to ensure that the machine doesn't break down or they get prompt service support. With this intention, we thought it's important to be closer, to be nearer to our customers across the country. India is a vast country.
But more than the branches, it is the people that IPC truly relies on to make an impact.
You see it there? Hello. This is how we welcome every employee into the company. Here in IPC, we believe that the journey in itself is the reward. As Gandhi said, be the change that you want to see. Well, our employees are our agents of change. It's their drive that creates ripples in an otherwise humdrum setting of a routine business.
That we are one company which believes in flexibility, speed, response, and yes, most importantly, adaptability for new age pandemic situation what we are having.
It has been a delight working here at IPC India because of the 3 traits that are most admirable here at this organization. One is the speed, flexibility and the responsiveness. Speed at which we address the customer's pain points. We take pride and joy in selling because we do not sell a product. We address a pain point.
We the HR at IPC focus on certain key qualities. The foremost would be collaboration, employee engagement. We also believe an interactive office space makes the great camaraderie amongst the colleagues. It is essential that all levels of personnel have an easy access to the executive office. For us at IPC, merit matters the most, and as a hand-holding measures, the organization invests resources in skilling and upskilling its people.
This is my first stint of the career and it's been 2.5 years since I'm associated with IPC India, and I've been fortunate enough to be a part of the team who has been generous in sharing their experiences and their learnings with me. I've been proud to be a part of IPC.
As we evolve as an organization, as a brand, so do our people. An assistant manager rises to become a zonal manager, a branch manager goes on to become a national business development manager, a technician becomes a regional service head, so on and so forth. As they say, you don't build a business, you build people, and those people will build your business. That's definitely been the case with us.
I'm here from last 4 years. I have 21 years of experience in cleaning industry. IPC is a great company where working is a very good culture as well as a very good product portfolio.
I am handling a logistics department of Pune branch. We have a great team in Pan India and we really enjoy with working with the IPC.
पिछले 15 सालों से IPC के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ. प्रॉब्लम्स और कंप्लेंट्स हमारे पास में इतनी नहीं आती जिनको आसानी से सही ना किया जा सके.
IPC कंपनी में 8 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे अपना कंप्लेंट्स वगैरह आ गया तो हम 24 आवर्स में इसको क्लोज कर देते हैं.
मुझे 11 साल हो गए इस कंपनी में काम करते हुए और मैं मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात और गोवा का सर्विस देखता हूँ.
In 2017, IPC was bought out by Tenon, a 150-year-old company listed on the New York Stock Exchange. With this new bold synergy, the horizons have expanded for our people. They have more opportunities now. From here on, the sky is the limit.
Abroad, IPC machines are a bit like Italian supercars. Expensive, desirable, and engineered to perfection. When Tony realized his Indian customers were unsure about investing in such a premium product, he reacted just like a Ferrari would in a race, aggressively.
I told my customers,
If they are not happy about the performance of the supplied machines, they can return the machines and claim 100% refund, no questions asked. Similarly, anything above 8% or exceeds 8% in terms of spares after the warranty period, IPC will foot the bill. The third concern is, what about the spare parts cost? If they find one or two spares are expensive, we told them very clearly we can also have a local arrangement. We can get it repaired wherever it's possible.
With startling guarantees and aggressive marketing, IPC's performance has been on turbo mode. It has reported a 36% compound annual growth rate or CAGR over the past 6 years, and its market share has grown manifold.
Operational excellence, that's what sets us apart. The speed of our deliveries, the speed of our service support, and the flexibility of the overall team. Our people are culturally oriented to answer their mails within 24 hours of their receipt. Similarly, all calls are answered latest by the third ring. We also focus on enriching our communication with the top management of our customers. We send them status report every month invariably to let them know what kind of money they spent on owning these machines, be it on their consumables or be it on spares. And also we give details about our service visits in that particular month. Perseverance in solving the problems of our customers, aggression in our sales approach, and dignity for all, be it our customers, be it our colleagues. That's how we play the game at IPC.
Customers across the country speak highly about their association with IPC. The Serum Institute of India, India's bulwark in the fight against COVID-19, is especially glad to get a helping hand in their fighting against corona.
Since this is a vaccine manufacturing industry, then cleanliness plays a very important role in manufacture of whatever products we make, because most of them are injectables. We have been associated, or IPC has been associated with us for the last 15 years and has provided us excellent products. That in the last 15 years, the equipment which they have provided us 15 years back still works and has given us excellent results. The personals have been very cooperative, and we have found that in this industry, IPC has played a very important role.
The CLR Group deploys 25,000 employees across major sites, including airports at Delhi. At Delhi Airport alone, they have more than 100 machines from IPC working night and day.
So congratulations Tony and IPC team on your 25th Silver Jubilee celebrations. I would say IPC has done a great job with us for last 7 years. We are working with you for I think more than 7 years, where you have given us machines at various locations across India. One commendable thing about IPC is their response time. There are times where we have got your machines in couple of hours, and some of our sites where clients needed it. Also in remote locations where you didn't have your service and branches, and you have been supporting us for a very long time now. I hope we work together for next 25 years and keep up the good work. Thank you and regards again for the anniversary celebrations.
Impressions, another facility management company servicing 500 customers across 1400 locations in 45 cities, relies heavily on IPC for its cleaning machines.
Our relationship with IPC spans over 2 decades, and I'm happy to say that it's been an extremely vibrant and delightful one. We at Impressions rate our supplier partners based on their product efficacy, the cost efficiency, after sales service, and their ability and intent to harmoniously engage with and immerse in our ecosystem. I'm happy to state that IPC scores high on all these parameters. On the 25th anniversary, I heartily congratulate them and wish them phenomenal success.
Christ College in Ghaziabad and the University of Pune settled for nothing less than the best to keep their premises spick and span.
Since 2016, we have been associated with IP Cleaning Private Limited. The after-sale service and the prompt customer-friendly service from IPC has given that impetus to us, and they were very prompt to even to reach far away from Delhi to this remote area, and they gained our confidence.
NSS, that is National Security Services, is maintaining housekeeping services on our campus. They have brought the equipments from IPC company. The machines are working very nicely. The service provided by the company is really good, and we are all satisfied with the services of the IPC.
Bharat Forge, a Pune-based Indian multinational active in the automotive, power, oil and gas, construction, mining, locomotive, marine and aerospace industries, trusts IPC for all its cleaning needs.
Bharat Forge is a forging industries. We purchased IP cleaning machine. We doesn't face any issue with the machines. I recommend this machine as a maintenance-free machine.
There is no any complaints from IPC products. Very well response from this supporting team from IPCs.
Imagine an India that's at par with the best this world has to offer. Showcase cities, benchmark infrastructure, and the best of maintenance standards. Since 1996, we have been relentlessly pursuing our goal to make India a more hygienic, attractive and cleaner India. It's the India as we envision it. It's IPC's India, and we are proud to be a part of it. IPC Clean On, because we are never off. Clean On, because this is our job, and we are proud to tell everyone, IPC Clean On.